Today we're featuring a 2015 Nissan Pathfinder. It's got 37,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's Arctic blue metallic in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. It does have the chrome door handles. Nice roof rails there on top. It does have the alloy wheels. Make our way down the passenger side here. Alright, the exterior of this Pathfinder is in great shape. Alright, no issues. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black on black door panels, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Does have the nice thick Pathfinder rubber floor mats. Does have black cloth seating. Alright, driver's seat's in good shape. Take a look at the passenger seat. It looks good as well. It is an automatic. Got your AM FM CD player down there. Dual climate controls. It's going to have your screen display here. Push button start. And it also has steering wheel audio controls. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 37,889 miles on it. Let's go ahead and check out the display screen here for the radio. Alright, you do have your push button start. Alright, and it does have the 6-disc CD changer as well. Simply hit the load button here. Alright, you can pick which slot to put it in there. AC is blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. One thing I do want to show you, it also comes with the keyless entry key fob as well. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Alright, it does have the nice thick floor mats back here in the second row seats. Alright, let me go ahead and walk around and open up that other door. Let some more natural light in. There we go. Alright, now let's take a look. Alright, second row cloth looks good. Alright, no problems whatsoever. It does have the little center console that comes down. Got the cup holders. It's got rear air back here. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, and now this Pathfinder does have third row seating. Go ahead and take a look at the third row, and it also has the rubber floor mats back here in the third row, which is a nice feature. Alright, the third row cloth looks great. Let's take a look back here. Got storage area down here. Carpet's in good shape. Alright, now you can fold these third row seats down. Put the headrest down first. Alright, lay those third rows down. Now you can really see how much it opens it up back here. Ton of room back here now. Convenient power outlet here. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. Got 18-inch alloys. Brand new set of tires. Alright, ton of tread left on them there. Alright, once again, 2015 Nissan Pathfinder, 37,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's in great shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.